What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, May the 31st. My name is Mitchell. I'm a manager here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio.
And I'm Clint. I am kit manager here.
And this is just a little series where we like to go over the Friday newsletter with you and then go out in the warehouse and show you everything hands-on. So without further ado, let's get started. Considering it is Friday today, we're going to start off with this week's Friday bundle. This one is called Backyard Garden. It is an 8-piece fat quarter bundle priced at $29.96. This one's full of a lot of lavenders and purples. It has ginghams and dots and florals and a couple birds on there. So if you need any purples for your projects or lavenders or anything of the sorts, make sure to go check out Backyard Garden. We also wanted to let you know that we do offer free shipping now. This is something newer that we started this year. It is 1 free shipment per order. So say you have an order with both in-stock and pre-orders. Normally we would wait for those pre-orders to show up before we ship it out, which would still be free. However, if you wanted to get the in-stock items now and the pre-order stuff later, you can send us an email. We will send you the in-stock stuff completely for free. You will have to pay a shipment price for those pre-order ones. Make sure to go take advantage of this offer that not many other places have.
Next, we have a Western themed group that's sure to wrangle your attention. It's Cowboy Culture from Blight Quilting. For this one, we have the full collection of yardage, as well as the Star Treks Quilt Kit and the Square Deal Quilt Kits. This collection is reminiscent of Wild West with patterns like cowboys, horses, belt buckles, cows, as well as cowhide patches, cow skulls, horseshoes, barbed wire, rope, in warm shades of browns, tans, and gray. So if Wild West is kind of your thing, definitely go take a look at this one.
Next up, we have Once Upon a Christmas from Moda. This group is a very Christmas-themed group. We have the full yard collection. We also have 36-inch panels. We have patterns. We have glam bags. We have magnetic notepads, and we have a couple quilt kits with this one. Well, those glam bags do seem to be pretty cute. We got these little green and white bags with some different text on them. We got an array of colors such as white and red, pink, some mistletoe, and some greens in there. The patterns in this group include trees, poinsettia florals, ornaments, winter songs, snowflakes, Mary berries, peppermint stripes, and sprinkles. So if you want any Christmas-themed groups or maybe these glam bags or anything of the sorts, make sure to go check out Once Upon a Christmas from Moda.
All right, moving along, we have Jewel Box from Northcott. This is a collection of bubbly blenders that are sure to add some glamour to your projects. On this one, we have the full collection of yardage as well as fat quarter bundles. These fabrics come in a vibrant palette of gemstone-inspired colors like diamond, cinnabar, ruby, dark amber, lapis, teal, amethyst, orange topaz, emerald, green sapphire, purple garnet, sterling, and jet. So if you're looking for some blenders with a little bit more color to them, definitely go check out Jewel Box from Northcott.
Next up, we have Beggar's Knife from Riley Blake. With this one, we have the full yard collection. We have some 36-inch panels. We have fat quarter bundles. We have 5-inch stackers, 10-inch stackers, 2.5-inch roly-polies. We have the Calico Cats and Jacks table runner kit. This is a very Halloween-themed group, so you know your orange, purple, black, some golds in there, with patterns of skeletons, ghosts, cats, monsters, spiderwebs, eyeballs, pumpkins, fangs, and stars. So if you have any Halloween-based projects coming up, make sure to go check out Beggar's Knife from Riley Blake.
We would like to mention a sale we are currently running on the Scrappy Arrows Quilt Kits. This kit features some shades of blue, seafoam, and taupe that work really well together. Originally, this quilt kit was $95.96, and it has been marked down to $72.96. You've had your eye on a kit like this, now would be the time to go grab one.
Next up, we have the 108-inch wide Star of Wonder, Star of Light from Benartex. This is a 108-inch group, so it's not your typical 44-inch wide, just know that. This one has a lot of stars and colors of holly, gold, aqua, red, and cream. It is the perfect way to finish up your favorite project, so make sure to go check out Star of Wonder, Star of Light from Benartex.
Next, we have No Tricks, Just Treats from Henry Glass, and with a name like that, you just know it's a Halloween-themed collection. We have the full collection of yardage for this one, as well as 36-inch panels and the Halloween is Coming quilt kits. This collection features patterns like jack-o'-lanterns, witches, ghosts, black cats, dots, and colors of orange, purple, green, gray, and black. And let me tell you, with how cute these fabrics in the quilt kit are, this one is sure to make your Halloween No Tricks, Just Treats.
Next up, we have Sweet Pumpkin Spice from Kaufman. With this, we have the full yard collection. We also have fat quarter bundles, tinted squares, 5-inch squares, and the Pumpkin Hollow Table Runner Kit. This is a very fall-themed group. It has some gold metallic accents in it. It has colors of brown, orange, sage, cream, and red, and also patterns such as candles, oranges, leaves, pumpkins, cinnamon sticks, and spice dots. Very fall-autumn themed, so if you need anything like those colors to finish your next project, make sure to go check out Sweet Pumpkin Spice from Kaufman.
Now we get to talk about the May release for some Villa Rosa patterns. These patterns are available as printed cards or PDFs, and this group really has has some interesting designs to it. And this release of patterns, we have Pinked, Flowers for Mom, Highlight, Foxy, Riplinger, and Sorbet. These patterns are $2 each, so quite a steal. If you're looking to try some new patterns, maybe swing by and see what these have in store for you.
Next up, we wanted to highlight our May bargains. This is just a group where we like to put in all of our remnants, one piece left. There could be notions, there could be full collections there, you never know. We update this every day, so make sure to go check out if you want any sale items. This is the perfect place to go look, so go check out our May bargains.
Now something we've been doing a little bit recently, we want to talk about our comment of the week. Each week we will pull a comment from either YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok and read it on the show. So this week our comment is from Margaret Parsons on YouTube, who says, I always enjoy this segment on Friday. It is so nice to see some of the employees speaking about the new items. We just want to say thank you, Margaret. One of our favorite things to do each week is to make this video. It's a whole lot of fun, so we're just glad that you guys are enjoying it too.
And I think that's going to do it this week for this Friday Fabric Finds video. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, be sure to go hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And once again, you can comment and you may be picked for comment of the week. So if you want to be featured in this, or if you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure to go drop a comment down below. I think that's going to do it for this week. So thank y'all so much for watching. We'll see you next week.